Good evening and welcome to What's That Sound? I'm your host, Jackson Albert, but please call me Bacon.
Yeah.
Thank you. Tonight we have two fabulous teams that are going head to head to try and guess that sound. Let's go ahead and meet our teams. On my right, I have team Vanessa and Monique. Give them all a round of applause. And on my left, I have team Dante and Al. Let's give them
Yes, sir.
All right, you ready to go over the rules?
Absolutely.
Alrighty, one team member from each team will be blindfolded. I will play a noise on the monitor behind me. The first team to ring the bell gets to guess first. You get two guesses. If both guess incorrectly, no points awarded. But if you do get them correctly, you will get a point for the round. The winner with the most points at the end of 6 rounds wins. Let's get started. Go ahead and blindfold yourself.
Let's do this.
Let's get it out.
Let's get
You can
started.
do it.
Alrighty. Are we all in the back? Let's do the first sound. Okay. Yes. Ow.
Eating chips.
No, incorrect. Monique.
Paper crumbling?
Close, but no cigar. Ow.
Crunching paper.
No. Okay, Monique. Last chance.
Time's up.
Time's up.
Paper.
Alrighty, incorrect.
Sorry,
The
Al.
correct answer was stepping on leaves.
Oh.
Alrighty, next
No, no,
contestant
no switch, no
gets
switch.
blindfolded.
Can you help me?
Oh, man.
Alrighty,
That was a good round, sir.
that was round one. Give them all a big round of applause for the try. I know it's hard. I know
Here's
it's
the
hard.
thing.
Alrighty, let's play the next sound. Yes, Vanessa.
Typing.
Correct.
Yeah.
Alrighty, great job. Great job.
I had it.
Alrighty, Monique, Al, let's get you guys re-blindfolded. So far, team Vanessa and Monique have 1 point, and Al and Dante have, actually no, just Vanessa and Monique have 1 point. Alrighty, let's play the next sound. Yes, Al.
Is it a horse galloping?
Correct.
Yes.
That's 1 point for team Al and Dante. Alrighty, you guys know what to do. Get those blindfolds on so we can move on to round 4. Okay.
Can I get some help? Can I get some help?
Next sound, please. Dante.
Is it a waterfall?
No, incorrect.
Someone watering a plant?
No, Dante.
Is it water coming out of a sink?
No, incorrect. Vanessa.
Someone pouring liquid into a cup or glass?
Time. I'm sorry to say that was bacon. I'm so sorry. Alrighty. Keep it moving.
Not what I heard.
We got 2 points over here, 1 point over here. Let's move on to round 5. We're getting close to the end here, everybody. I know it's hard to get those blindfolds on, but let's get it on. Next sound, please. Monique.
Something popping. Water bottle popping?
Incorrect. Al.
Champagne bottle popping.
Correct. Okay, we got a tie game. 2-2.
Come on.
And it all comes down to this. Round 6, the finale.
Okay, I got this.
Bacon, just so you know, I've done that a few times.
Done that a few times?
Yeah,
Pop some champagne?
absolutely.
Oh, well, that's good. I can go for some bubbly at this time. Alrighty, let's play the final sound. Dante.
Is that a typewriter?
That's correct! Dante and Al. Congratulations, you guys.
Yes, Bacon.
Ladies, thank you so much for playing.
Thank you.
That was great.
You guys did
And
well.
thank you all for joining us here on What's That Sound? I've been your host, Bacon. We'll see you next time.
Yes.